Woman Mary Berwick, things are looking up.
I feel great. I feel I've got my life back. It's been a long year.
After 12 months in her house shielding from COVID, she's now fully vaccinated and feeling the benefits. She's back out doing her own shopping, spring in her step.
I feel now that I can go downtown if I want to, and I can go into a shop. I have some things to learn.
We are experiencing some technical difficulties. Please stand by. Attention, a national emergency has been declared. Please stand by for an announcement from the government. Attention, a nuclear attack has been confirmed against this country. This is not a drill. Further information will follow. Please seek shelter immediately and stay indoors. The following cities will be hit: Dublin, Belfast, Cork, Galway. Store water, food and other essential supplies and await evacuation from the army.